Hey everyone! Welcome back to Engineer Imran King, your go-to channel for fast and easy phone repair tutorials. Today, we're diving into one of the most common questions people ask online. How do I fix my iPhone in just a few minutes? Whether your iPhone is frozen, won't charge, won't turn on, or is stuck on the Apple logo, this video will walk you through everything step by step. So grab your phone, follow along, and by the end of this video, your iPhone should be up and running again. Let's get started. Let's start with the simplest but most powerful fix, the force restart. This method works like a soft reset. It clears out temporary system bugs without erasing your data. If you have an iPhone 8 or later, 1. Quickly press and release the volume up button. 2. Quickly press and release the volume down button. 3. Hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For older iPhones, like the 6s or 7, just hold the home button and the power button together until you see that Apple logo. In most cases, this alone fixes freezes, crashes, or unresponsive screens. But if it doesn't, don't worry, we're just getting started. Now, if your iPhone won't turn on or seems completely dead, it could be a charging or battery issue. Plug your iPhone into the charger and wait at least 15 to 20 minutes. Always use an original Apple charger or MFI certified cable. Cheap cables can fail to send power correctly. If it still doesn't charge, clean the charging port using a soft brush or wooden toothpick. Even a tiny dust ball can block the connection. Still no luck? Try charging through your computer's USB port. It delivers a slower, steady current that can revive a deeply drained battery. If your iPhone suddenly shuts down at high battery percentage, your battery health might be poor. Go to Settings, right arrow battery health and charging. If it says Service, it's time for a battery replacement. One of the most frustrating problems iPhone users face is being stuck on the Apple logo or endless restarting, the so-called boot loop. But don't panic, you can fix it yourself at home. Step by step. 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer using a USB cable. 2. Open iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac. 3. Put your phone into recovery mode. iPhone 8 or later. Press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until you see the recovery screen. iPhone 7. Hold volume down and power together. iPhone 6s or earlier, hold home and power together. 4. Once detected, click Update, not Restore, so you don't lose your data. This will reinstall iOS without deleting your photos or apps. If the update doesn't help, you can use a trusted repair tool like Reboot, iMyFone Fixpo, or Phone Rescue. They're safe if downloaded from official websites only. Another reason your iPhone may act slow or glitchy is low storage. When your phone's memory is full, even simple tasks like opening the camera can crash. Here, how to fix that fast. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow iPhone Storage. Delete unused apps or big videos you no longer need. Clear Safari cache and message attachments. Move your photos to iCloud or Google Drive for backup. Even freeing up 2 to 3 GB can make your iPhone feel brand new. Does your iPhone feel like it's heating up too much or running slower than usual? Here, how to cool things down and boost performance. Close background apps by swiping up from the bottom. 2. Turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and AirDrop when you don't need them. 3. Avoid charging while gaming. That creates heat buildup. 4. Always remove thick cases while charging. They trap heat. 5. Go to Settings, right arrow battery health and check for service status. Voiceover. Remember, overheating can shorten your battery life, so small habits make a big difference. Your iPhone still behaves strangely. A soft factory reset can clean up software bugs. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This won't delete your data. It only resets system preferences like Wi-Fi, wallpaper, and notifications. Voiceover. After the reset, restart your phone. You'll notice it runs smoother and faster. Let's quickly recap what we covered today. 1. Force restart, clears temporary bugs. 2. Check battery and charging, solves power issues. 3. Recovery mode update, fixes stuck or boot-looped iPhones. 4. Clear storage, improves performance. 5. Stop overheating, extends battery life. 6. Reset settings, refreshes your phone system. Voiceover. These steps cover almost every common iPhone issue, and most can be done in minutes. Voiceover. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you fix your iPhone, please like, subscribe, and share this video to help others too. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss my next tutorial. This is Engineer Imran King, bringing you simple tech solutions that save you time and money. See you in the next video. On-screen text. Subscribe now, Engineer Imran King Wrench, new videos every week.